Hello, what's up, guys? Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Yeah, I want to show you how it is that you can install newly downloaded font packs or font folders or font resources right into your Pixellab. By the way, I would like you to benefit from the freebies I'm going to be giving this Xmas season. So all I'll need you to do is to go to the comment section of this video and type Oliver give me the Xmas freebies or give me the December freebies. Now once you do that, you just what you go straight to my once you make that comment, then you go straight to my DM on WhatsApp. Yeah, you're gonna see my number on the display of this very video. Yeah, the thumbnail of this very video. So you go to my WhatsApp DM after you've commented Oliver, give me the Xmas freebies or give me the December freebies. After you've done that, just go to my DM and we would have it all rounded off from there. So when it is that you want to install newly downloaded fonts to your Pixellab, I would recommend you have some apps. Now the first app you are going to need is the Z Archiver. Yeah, now I have mine downloaded already. This is how the Z Archiver logo looks like. You can see it is the last app alphabetically on my display right now. So download the Z Archiver. If you don't have it, you go straight to Google Play Store and get it downloaded. Now the reason for this app is that it enables you to unzip any download or any file that is in a zip folder or RAR folder. Yes, so that is the reason you need it. So to unzip the font pack after you've downloaded it, that is the purpose of you downloading this very easily navigating and user-friendly unzipping software, which is the Z Archiver. Now let me show you how the Z Archiver looks like. Let's quickly navigate it. Now this is how it is. Now let's say for example I have a newly downloaded zip folder. All I do is I just go to the zip folder, then I would tap on zip. You understand? I don't have any zip folder here, but once you unzip it and you want to extract it, it's not too difficult. It's not something that is difficult. Alright, I had to go and get a zip folder of the font pack, which is part of the freebies I'm going to be giving out to you guys and whoever it is that makes that comment and comes to my DM. Just follow the due process which I laid down. So now what you have to do is to open the Z Archiver. Then for example you have the folder, the zip folder that you downloaded, or the RAR folder that you downloaded to be in your download folder, in your internal storage, in your external storage, maybe your memory card or anything, or anywhere you stored it. So all you just have to do is to go to that folder. Now if you look at this, so let me come here and check. Although you see this 5K font here, that's the one I've already unzipped before now, but I have one in the memory card in my external storage device. So all I have to do is to come here. That's where you can easily get access to any memory phase of storage. Now yeah, you can see SD card there. I tap SD card, I scroll down to where it is. Now you can see here, do you see that is the zip folder? So this is how it's going to look like when you download the font pack that I'll be giving out. Because if you don't use Z Archiver, sometimes the default software that it might want to use to unzip the folder is Phoenix, but it's not too reliable because it will be very slow and you might not be able to do it very effectively like Z Archiver is going to do for you. So now I want to zip it. I tap the folder. Now it's going to ask me where I want to extract. So if it says extract here, if you pick extract here, it means it's going to extract it right here inside of the memory card. Then if you say extract to, then it will extract it to the folder. That's what this is, to extract it to the folder of the Z Archiver folder that is going to be there. Then if it says extract, the third one, it means it's going to be asking you to where you want to extract it to. Are you getting what I'm saying? So you have to pick where you want to extract it to. So once you pick, maybe you want to extract it to the internal memory, then once you select where you want to extract it to, you tap this place. So the moment you do that, it would begin to load, and it's always very fast. It's not something that you have to wait till eternity for it to finish the command that you have placed or what you've selected. So that's the first thing you need to do. Then the next thing is that you open your Pixellab. Okay, let me close this. Now, we all know that the common Pixellab is found on the Google Play Store. Yeah, iOS does not support this very version of Pixellab that we're using right now. So it's typically for Android devices. So I go to my Pixellab here, which is the one I'll be giving out to. That's the Blue Pink Pixellab. Yeah, the Blue Pink Pixellab is one of the versions which is not available on Play Store. So it's part of what I'm going to be giving out. And what are those? What is that special thing about it? It's the Pixellab that can enable you to carry out the emboss effect successfully. You see that when you try to emboss text or some shapes, sometimes it will get distorted and defaced. But this won't give you that trouble. You'll be able to emboss text very much easily. So now, let me open the Blue Pink Pixellab. It's opening. Okay, yeah, this is just asking me like the last thing I did, so cancel. Okay, now I want to install fonts on it. All I do is I come to the text tool. Now, going to the text tool, I go straight, I scroll from right to left, and I come here, font. Yeah. Tapping that, I now go to my fonts. All these fonts here are just the default fonts for Pixellab. So I already have fonts which I've installed here, but I'll just show you the process on how it is that you can install new fonts. So now, you have two options here. Now, before now, this whole place used to be empty because I never had any fonts installed here. So now we want to install fonts. So best you do it, if you want to install a particular font, you pick this, then you go to the folder where a particular font is. Then if you want to install fonts from a whole folder, you have to come here, the second option. So I tap this second option, then I make sure I have moved the folder to the internal storage. That's maybe if it's in the, I extracted it to internal storage, that's your phone storage or memory card storage or anything at all. So just put it on the phone storage. Now, after you've done that, then you now scroll to find the folder. So this one, when I extracted it to phone storage and I renamed it. So this is what I have here. So you have about 5,000 fonts here. So you just select the folder. So I've selected mine already. That's why it's active. So the moment you select the folder, you just tap Add Directory, and automatically you have your fonts installed already. So, but I don't need to do that because I've done that already. So you can see there are loads of fonts here. And you might be asking yourself that why do you need fonts? Yes, you need fonts. You need a lot of fonts when it comes to designing. Else, you might be having difficulties using some common fonts. Some fonts, like the script fonts, which usually appear to be cursive and curvy and all of that, gives some kind of sense of beauty, outstanding, and this special effect. Now you can see there are a lot of fonts here. So many. So that is how you can add fonts to your Pixellab. Don't forget to put in to comment in the comment section if you want this Blue Pink Pixellab. I also have another Pixellab, but I'm not going to be giving that. That one has pre-installed fonts, like amazing fonts that will like make you make you so overwhelmed. You understand? So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. So please don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I'm going to see you in the next video. Do have a nice and great weekend, guys. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.